Hi there, my name's Joey, and this practice is a breathwork practice called Vritti. Vritti means same breath. So, this breath is a really great technique to practice if you need to calm yourself down if you're in an anxious or stressful situation. It's also good for giving you just a little bit of a boost of energy if you're feeling a little bit lethargic. Very similar to box breathing, just without any of the holds if you've ever done box breathing before. So, Samavriti is the same count of an inhale followed by the same count of an exhale. And so it gets to be a very rhythmic breath. And so we'll start with a few rounds in a 3 count, and then we'll move up to a 4 count, and we'll work our way up to about a 6 count. Go ahead wherever you are, find yourself in a nice comfortable seat, or perhaps lying down with your knees bent and the soles of your feet on the floor. If you're lying down, you might prop yourself up on a pillow. If you are seated, you might sit on a cushion, or if you have a meditation cushion. And get yourself nice and comfortable. As you settle in, we'll begin with a deep breath into the belly. Opening the mouth and letting it go. Breathing in deeply and fully. Opening the mouth and letting it go. And taking one final deep breath into the belly. And sighing it out. And if possible, seal your lips. Continue to breathe in and out through your nose. If it's comfortable, let the eyes settle closed, or soften your gaze down in front of you. And allow the breath to begin to move in and out of the belly. And sometimes it can be helpful if you place a hand on your belly to physically feel the sensation of your abdomen rising and falling as you breathe in and out. Notice if there's any tension or there's anything that feels stuck. Sometimes it might feel like you can't quite get a full breath in. And if you can't, that's okay. Try not to force the breath here. But at the same time, allow the breath to have a little bit more energy than a passive inhale and exhale. And allow your breath to deepen a little bit more, so that as you inhale, you fill up the belly completely, and that breath might even start to move up into the rib cage and possibly even into the chest. And then as you exhale, allowing the breath to empty completely from the chest to the ribs to the belly. And then as you're ready, we'll empty out all of the air from the lungs. And start to breathe in for 3, 2, 1. Breathe out for 3, 2, 1. Breathe in for 3, 2, 1. Breathe out for 3, 2, 1. In 3, 2, 1. Out 3, 2, 1. In 3, 2, 1. Out 3, 2, 1. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. And allow your breath to resume its natural rhythm. Just notice any sensations that you might feel. You might start to feel a little tingly in the fingers and in the toes. And if this is your first experience with a breathwork practice, you might start to feel a little bit lightheaded. There are all sorts of sensations that come along with a breathwork practice. And learning to accept them as part of the practice is important to being able to continue on in that practice. And so coming back into that breath with a little bit more energy, a little bit more vitality, and filling up completely as you breathe in, and exhaling fully as you breathe out. And we'll move into a 4 count Vritti breath here. So go ahead and empty out all of the air from your lungs. This time we'll breathe in for 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe out 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in 4, 3, 2, 1. Out 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe out 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe out 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe out 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe out 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe out 4, 3, 2, 1. Allow your breath to resume its natural rhythm. Again, taking note of how you feel, how your body feels, how your mind feels. And again, we'll find that deeper breath. And this time we'll increase our counts to 5 counts. So empty out all of the air from your lungs. This time breathe in for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe out 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Out 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. And take a couple of rounds of breath on your own, allowing everything to reset, to recalibrate, to return back to normal. And this time we'll increase the count to 6. And so emptying out all of the air from your lungs. Breathe in for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe out. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe out. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe out. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Out. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. And take a couple of rounds of breath on your own, allowing everything to reset here. Notice how your body feels. Notice how your mind feels. And just noticing if there was any count there that felt particularly good to you. Kind of giving yourself the opportunity to explore these different counts as a way of figuring out which is the breath count that feels just right for you. And we'll end by taking in a deep breath of gratitude for this time that you've taken to breathe and to be with yourself today. And I thank you for taking this time to share your practice with me. And I look forward to seeing you next time. Take care.